Hello, this is Claire and Jim with DC Digital, and today we're demonstrating what do we have here, Claire?
It is the DC-406C-2-EFF-SENS.
All right, box counter of some sort with efficiency. You can use it for boxes or whatnot, but we have two sensors, and they wanted a double sensor, so I guess to have two box lines. What is the company that's using this? Is Campbell's or something like?
Yeah,
Campbell's?
it's Campbell's Snacks.
Campbell Snacks. So they have two box lines, and they're wanting to keep count according to the plan, and then also display the efficiency of how they're doing. So as you can see, it is a 4-inch high. Each display is 4-inch high, and they are 6 digits. So they're counting an awful lot of boxes in whichever shift that they're running. And what Claire is holding is the controller, so you can set your plan and reset it. And then over to the right, over here, we have our infrared photo sensors that we supply, and then mounts to come with it. And then each one comes with 25 feet of cord. And then also the controller for the plan comes with 25 feet of cord. And those all get connected through a junction box in the back of the unit. There's a plate that you can connect it to, and pretty simple to connect. There's terminal blocks inside. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and have Claire explain how to set the plan and some further things that she might want to add.
Yes, thank you. So for our plan, if we want to set that, you can have, it has 3 modes of setting. Basically, you're just going to want to hold down your increment button. And as you can see at first, it's just going up slowly, but then it gets a little bit faster. And then you reach the 3rd speed, which is the quickest speed. So we'll just say that we want it to be 2,417. That's how many boxes you are planning on having. And then if you want to decrease that number at all, you would press the decrement button, and this one will do the same thing where it'll get a little bit faster, but it doesn't get as fast as the increment button does. And if you need to reset it at all at any point, pressing the reset button will set the efficiency and the actual to 0, and then holding it in will reset your planned number. So we'll set our increment a little bit higher, and then you can see some of the action with the sensors. We'll show that as well.
Okay.
Just so you can see it.
I can do that, I guess.
Yeah, that'd be great. But yeah, so
okay.
We'll just say about that.
All right. And so each sensor, both sensors are contributing to the actual. So
yes.
It doesn't matter, but it is added together. So if you hit this one, it'd be, so, and then as you can see, the efficiency is going up as we're getting closer to the planned.
Yes, and since we have quite a big number, our 73 is just 4% of, our 2,000, but it does all that stuff for you. All you have to do is put in your planned number, and then you just go for it.
Right, and then the efficiency will go up to 200.
Yes.
The sensors will go all the way out to, they're adjustable from 1 foot to 10 foot. Okay. And specifically for, solid objects, obviously.
Right.
And then the stainless steel mounts is 24 volt, but you need 120 wall outlet, and it comes with a 24 volt power supply. I believe that's what we're sending with this one. I don't know if the customer is supplying their own 24 volt, but we ship one with it anyways. It is, let me get this. Okay, well, I can't pull that because that's going to pull that off there. There are mounting tabs on the back here that are adjustable in and out of this channel. So there's some on the top and there's some on the bottom. They are a teardrop hole type mounting tab that you can mount the unit to. So, anything else? Did we miss anything?
I think that covers it all. It's very easy to set, and then you just go ahead and use it.
Right. All aluminum enclosure, acrylic Lexan, vinyl front, 4-inch high digits like we mentioned earlier. Okay, This is Claire and Jim with DC Digital, and we're demonstrating a, Claire?
The DC-406C-EFF-SENS.
Thank you.